All right, welcome back, my dear student. So in this lecture that you're watching right now, I got some files for you. You're gonna download the student files right here, and this is gonna have a couple files in there. All right, and I'm gonna try to update this as we go. Okay, so know that here you have a file called assets, one called Codeigniter. This is the version that I'm using for the course, and that would be great if you download this version instead of downloading the current version that is available to you. So that way you can follow the course along with me. All right, just know that the core functions and method of Codeigniter will not change as much, so the foundation of this course can apply for many future versions. All right, and I'm always keeping updates on the course anyway, so if some major update comes to me from Codeigniter, I will update the course. But anyway, you will have a couple files here, and then you will have something called the exercise files. Inside the exercise files with the lecture number here, you will have the completed files for each of those lectures. For example, for lecture 4, we're going to have the welcome file here completed for you. The 5 will be completed, the 6, the 7, the 8 along, and I will keep updating this as I make lectures. Since I'm always updating my courses, you can probably see by the time that you download these exercises, you're gonna probably see more files here. All right, so anyway, thank you so much. Make sure that you download this file called student files. It's gonna be a zip file. Download it from this lecture that you're watching right now. So anyway, thank you so much for always being my student, and what can I say? See you in the next lectures. Take care.